Looking to add a touch of magic to your home or office? Imagine a plant pot that levitates and spins in midair. Today, we're diving into the amazing BandD Levitating Plant Pot and how it can transform your space. Hey everyone! Welcome back to KevinTech channel, where we bring you the coolest tech and gadget reviews. Today, we've got something truly unique, the BandD Levitating Plant Pot. This isn't just any plant pot. It's a floating marvel that will elevate your decor to the next level. Let's check it out. Decorating your space can sometimes feel mundane and repetitive. Traditional plant pots are great, but they don't have that wow factor. If you're looking for a unique piece that stands out, the BandD Levitating Plant Pot might be just what you need. First, let's talk about what makes this plant pot so special. The BandD Levitating Plant Pot uses magnetic levitation technology to float and spin midair. It's designed for small plants, making it perfect for succulents or bonsai trees. The setup is incredibly easy. Simply place the pot on the magnetic base, and once it starts levitating, you're good to go. The pot is not just a showstopper, it's also a conversation starter. Imagine your guests' reactions when they see a plant floating in your living room or office. This floating plant pot isn't just about aesthetics. It's a great way to enhance your space with greenery, promoting a calm and serene environment. Plus, the gentle rotation of the plant helps ensure even sunlight distribution, which is great for plant health. Let's see this in action. As you can see, the plant pot floats effortlessly and spins gracefully. It's a mesmerizing sight and adds a futuristic touch to any decor. Whether you're working, relaxing, or hosting friends, this levitating plant pot will definitely make a statement. The BandD Levitating Plant Pot is more than just a plant holder. It's a piece of art that brings innovation and nature together. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a unique and stylish touch to their space. Easy to set up, mesmerizing to watch, and beneficial for your plants. What more could you ask for? If you're excited about transforming your decor with this floating plant pot, make sure to check the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KevinTech channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more awesome tech and gadget reviews. Let me know in the comments what plant you'd like to see floating in this amazing pot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.